Many of you have asked me questions in the comments section about how to convert numbers to words. It can be very helpful when you're dealing with financial documents, invoices, or even when you need to write checks through computer. In the end, I will also show you how to customize the function to fit your specific needs. For example, if you want to change the currency symbol. First, you need to download this VBA file, the link of which is provided in the description. I'll show you how to install this file now. You open your Excel, go to Options, click on Add-ins, go, and then you browse, and you find that file here. For example, this is the file. Now make sure you save this file in a place where you won't be able to delete it accidentally. So it's enabled here. Just click OK. Now, for example, I write any number, and here I can use the function spell number, and you see it works instantly. Okay, now if you want to add currency to this, you just go in the formula and write your currency, for example USD space, and that's it. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.